Plant Killer here, Jessie with Living on a Prayer Flower Farm, and in today's video, we are fall sowing sweet peas. Now last year, I did a video on sweet peas, and I started them in like March, April-ish, and for my zone, that was a big mistake. I'm in zone 8B, Ruston, Louisiana, if you're new to my channel, and I had no idea sweet peas are a cool flower. So for my zone, I have to start them in the fall. It got hot way too fast. I got maybe one or two puny blooms out of my sweet peas, and they weren't worth it. So today we are going to conquer that. So before we can put our sweet peas into the ground, we have to soak them for 24 hours. While they're soaking, we are going to go ahead and start prepping the area. You can see I'm currently putting T-post up and putting up horizontal or trellis netting for my sweet peas to grow up. I ordered this netting off the Knowles Produce catalog. You have to mail them or email them in order to get this, but they do have an online catalog for you to look at and see pricing. They had the best pricing thus far. So the sweet peas are going to be spaced 8 inches apart on both sides of the trellis, and we'll see how they do. It is so cold today. All right, so sweet peas. Today I'm growing Porlock, Turquoise, Elegance Formula Mix, Yvette Ann, and Pulsar. These sweet peas have been soaking for 24 hours. Some people say soak them, some people don't. I'm soaking them. I soaked them for a full 24 hours to soften the hard shell, and now we'll put them into the landscape fabric. Last year I started these in like March, April. Oh no, down here in the south, these need to go in now. It's November 27th. It's the weekend after Thanksgiving. These like the cold. They like it cold, and we warm up way too quick to try and plant them in the spring is what I learned this past season. So hopefully this will be my year. This will be my sweet pea year. Johnny's said to plant 2 sweet peas per hole and then thin out. So that's what we're going to do today. Alright guys, we started these seeds back on 11/27, the sweet peas, and now it is December 28th. Let's take a look and see how they're doing. They're doing really well. I need to thin out a few that have more than one in them. My turquoise basically was a bust, and so was my Yvette Ann and Pulsar. So I came back with a Royal Wedding and Midnight to replace them with, and I'm still waiting on them to germinate, which I planted them on the 20th. Some of them are coming up. You can see tiny green sticks. I cannot wait to see how these do come the spring now that I'm planting them in the right season. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.